Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to remove Yahoo search engine in Google Chrome. So let's start. Over here you can see I am here in Google Chrome. Now you can see my default browser is Yahoo. To change this, on the right you'll find these three dots. Click on it and scroll down and go to this settings. As soon as you click on settings, you will see this interface. On the left, you'll find the option of search engine. Click on search engine. And over here, you'll find this interface. You'll find the search engine used in address bar. In my case, it is Yahoo. Then click on this drop down and you can choose any one from here. DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Bing, Yandex or Google. Now I'll choose Google. And now let's get back to Google Chrome. You can see here my search engine is by default Google. Now I'll search for good music and hit enter and you can see my default search engine is now Google. So in this way we can remove Yahoo from Google Chrome. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.